Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will teach you a new method where we can earn $495 by upload. I know that you will love today's method because this is absolutely free. And this is available worldwide. Don't worry about anything. Because this is beginner friendly. So even if you don't have any skills or experience, you can do this. I don't want you to skip any part of this video because you might miss out on important details. And if you do, you might not earning any money at all. So I suggest you watch this video until the end. Because as soon as this video ends, you can then start earning money. So this is the platform from which you will be making money. As you can see, they have over 40,000 users. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post new strategies to make money online. Leave this video a thumbs up and comment down below what country are you in right now. In that way, I will be able to make the right video for you. This website's minimum payout is $10, which means you can withdraw your money when you reach only $10. This website turns your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience. Here you can see so many payment proof. You'll be able to get paid without even leaving your home. And this is available on all devices. So you can use this on your laptop or your computer. And you can also use this on your mobile phone or your tablet. What's also great about this website is that you can do unlimited tasks every single day. And you have no limit to what you can make per day. It is absolutely free to register to this new platform. We never talked about earlier. They will pay you up to $15 again and again, no matter where you're coming from. Because it works worldwide. If you stay until the end, I show you step by step so that you can earn even more money. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. This platform works by uploading the file. You will upload the files to their website and they will give you a download link. And whenever someone downloads that file, you will get paid by uploading those files. This website is free. And the more files you upload, the more money you will make. So I will show you which files you will be uploading and where to promote to achieve this result. Now you probably think why they're actually paying you. They paying you because whenever someone clicks the download button and they try to download, they will redirect them to the ads page. They will be shown ads, which they will skip, and as soon as they skip those ads, they will be able to download that file. This platform is making money from ads. So that this platform will share ad revenue with you. But don't worry about this kind of thinking. You need to learn what files to upload and how to promote them. If you stay until the end, I will teach you to step by step how to do that. Now, if we go over to this section, you can see here, earn up to $30 per 2,000 downloads. That means you can earn up to $15 per 1,000 downloads. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Indian Bank, Paytm, Google Pay, UPI, Amazon Gift Card, PayGift Card. So that you can withdraw your money from all over the world. You can see on SimilarWeb, over 4 million people visit this website. So you can imagine how popular this site is. This website also has a referral program. You can earn 5% from each of your referral profits. What this means is that if your referral makes $1,000, you will get $50, completely passive. This website is called dropgalaxy.com. Now click on the sign up button right here so you can open a free account. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Now create a username. Enter your email address. Type a strong password. Then retype your password for confirmation. Select your payment method. Now solve this CAPTCHA. Once you're all done, click the submit button right here. When you log into your account, you will land on this page. From here, you can upload a file by drag and drop. You will earn money each time a file is being downloaded. 1,000 downloads will make up to $15. The more downloads you get, the more money you will make. And the good thing is, This is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money. Now you probably thinking about what kind of file you need to upload and where you get them. Don't worry. I will show your all questions answer one by one. I recommend you upload the files that will be useful to other people. That way, they will want to download from this website. You can upload any kind of file. For example, in today's video, I will use free stock footage. Because people from all over the world find high-quality stock footage for creating their video looks better. And it is 100% free to download. Now go to pixabay.com. Here you can download free photos, illustrations, vectors, stock videos, and so on. If you click on the videos button right here, it's going to give you thousands of different stock videos, which you can download without any money. And you will get a full license to do whatever you want. You can also search for particular footage from here. Now click on any video that you like most. For example, click on this video. Then click on the free download button right here. In the same way, download more professional stock videos as much as you can. Now go back to dropgalaxy.com and upload the file from here. After a few seconds or a few minutes, file will successfully upload to dropgalaxy.com. Now hover on your username and click on My Files. Then you will see all of your uploaded files. Simply hover on these three dots and click on the copy link. This is the link that you can share with targeted people all over the world. Remember, the more people you get to download the file through your link, the more money you will make. And the great thing about it is that those who download the file, they don't need any credit card or invest any money. They can download your uploaded file completely free of cost. All they need to do is skip the ads and download the file. And when they do that, you will make money. Now the final step is to promote your link so that people can download through your link. But before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you like this type of content, then show your support by giving a thumbs up below. And also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you and you can make lots of money. So comment your country name down below. Now go to facebook.com and join some video editing groups. Because video editors need so many stock videos for their professional projects. So here you will get your potential traffic. Simply type some word like to get high quality stock footage. Click here, then paste your download link. Do the same task with Instagram and Twitter. Remember, more you get to download, more money you can make. So promote your link as much as you can. That's it for today's video. Watch this video if you think this method is complicated for you. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for getting this kind of video.